Why are we here? More specifically, we're very excited to share that this October we are restarting our Cebu Ho Chi Minh service, right? And adding frequencies to our Cebu Bangkok route, right? Right. So Cebu Ho Chi Minh will be a 3 times weekly service, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And then Cebu Bangkok will be a 4 times weekly service, starting October 26 and then October 27, respectively. Right? No, sorry. It will be a daily service. Cebu Bangkok will become a daily service, right? From 4 times, it becomes 7 times daily na siya. So it's not just, it's a better product, by the way. All right. So, but this one, you kind of know because Cebu Ho Chi Minh is a restart, right? And Cebu Bangkok is an increase in frequency. So this is where we say, wait, there's more. All right, I'm very excited. All right, reveal. We're very happy and proud to share that this November, we are launching 2 new routes, direct services from Cebu, Cebu Nagoya, and Cebu Shanghai. All right, so Cebu Nagoya, for those who knew this ahead of time, thank you for not sharing. All right, Cebu Nagoya will be a 4 times weekly service, starting November 19th, and Cebu Shanghai will be a 3 times weekly service, starting November 17. So, Cebu will be the only airline to offer direct flights between Cebu and Nagoya. And Nagoya is the 3rd largest city in Japan. And I haven't been, maybe I should go from Cebu. From people who have gone to Nagoya and to all of the cities we fly to in Japan, they actually say they prefer Nagoya because it's parang easy to get around. And the city is very near the airport and it's very convenient, right? So something we're very excited for the Cebuanos to discover. And we will also be the only local airline to operate Cebu-Shanghai direct services. Excited. Okay. And so, with that, we operate 33 direct services from Cebu. 24 domestic and 9 international. Right? And so, not just that, right? Which means that by the end of the year, based on our forecast, in terms of number of seats, we expect to grow the number of seats by 12% year on year. Right? And so, again, this is capacity, this is the number of seats, flights, routes, or routes from Cebu that we're excited to share. And we look forward to your support as well. No? Starting and announcing is one thing, sustaining, growing, and filling up the seats is another. Right? 2 different things. What we want is to be able to sustain it and to grow it. I guess it's what we say, like, for example, Cebu Bangkok started out as 4 times weekly. Ideally, every service is at the very least a daily service, right? It's a better schedule. But we need to gradually get ourselves there, right? But what is more important today is there's a seat sale, of course. So you can book your flights to Nagoya, Shanghai, and Ho Chi Minh from Cebu with a 1 peso base fare sale starting at 12 noon today. 12 noon, not yet now. 12 noon today. So you know first, right? So you have first dibs. The sale will run from today up to August 11, with a travel period from the start of the service up to March 31 of 2027. Now, if you don't want to go to these destinations, you also have the option to book our other domestic and international routes from Cebu with another sale, an 8 peso one-way base fare sale, which is actually running now from August 6 to 10, with travel periods from Jan 1 to June 30 for domestic and Jan 1 to March 31 for international. So a lot of options. Um, I know we're not yet out of, we're saying hopefully that the war ends soon, right? So people can get that out of the way and just focus on moving on. Kami, we're making sure we continue to invest in the long-term potential of Cebu.